Hi everyone. Today, we are diving into a really useful geospatial task. We are going to learn how to convert a standard .tif image file into a highly compressed .ecw file. We will use the powerful GDAL library to achieve this. ECW files are fantastic for large aerial photography or satellite imagery. They offer significant compression without losing too much visual quality. This means they save a lot of disk space. They also load much faster in GIS applications. This can greatly improve your workflow. Before we start, you need to ensure GDAL is installed on your system. It is important that your GDAL installation also includes the ECW driver. Some default GDAL builds might not have proprietary drivers like ECW enabled by default. If you installed GDAL via OSGeo4W, it usually comes with ECW support. If not, you might need to install a specific GDAL distribution or compile it with ECW support. Once GDAL is ready, open your command prompt or terminal. The core tool we will use is GDAL_translate. This is GDAL's utility for converting raster formats. The basic command is very simple. It looks like this: GDAL_translate of ECW input.tif output.ecw. Let's break down each part of this command. Of ECW is a flag. It tells GDAL_translate that we want the output file to be in the ECW format. Input.tif is the path and name of your original TIFF file. You need to replace this with the actual name and location of your file. For example, see /data_my_aerial_photo.tif. Finally, output.ecw is the path and name you want for your new ECW file. Choose a descriptive name. For example, see /data_my_aerial_photo_compressed.ecw. You can also add optional parameters to control the conversion process further. A very common and useful option is setting the compression ratio. You do this using the CO flag, which stands for creation option. For example, you can use GDAL_translate of ECW CO target equals 10 input.tif output.ecw. The target value controls the compression level. A lower target number, like target equals 5, means less compression but higher image quality. A higher target number, like target equals 20, means more compression but slightly lower image quality. Target equals 10 is often a good balance. It provides excellent compression while maintaining good visual fidelity for most users. Feel free to experiment with this value to find what works best for your specific imagery and needs. Before running the command, make sure your terminal is in the same directory as your input.tif file. Or, provide the full path to the input file. You can navigate directories using the cd command. For instance, cdc:\\image_accent. Then, execute the GDAL_translate command. GDAL will then process your file. The conversion time will depend on the size of your TIFF file and your computer's processing power. Once the command finishes, you will find your new, compressed ECW file in the specified output location. This method is incredibly efficient and flexible. It is a fundamental skill for anyone working with large geospatial datasets. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it clear and helpful. Converting TIFF to ECW with GDAL is a straightforward process. It is an extremely valuable technique for managing large imagery. If you learned something new today and found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. Also, consider subscribing for more GIS tutorials, tips, and tricks. Your support helps us create more content like this. See you in the next video.